For first BA BSc second semester. Poem number 1, On His Blindness. This poem was written by John Milton. Summary. First part about author. John Milton is a great English poet who wrote famous epics like Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained, ranked with William Shakespeare. His works are rhetorical prose, belong to the tradition of Elizabethan era. The Romantic poets like Blake and Shelley influenced by him. Milton's poem justify the ways of God to men. This is the key word of John Milton in this Paradise Lost. Second, background of this poem. John Milton written this poem on his blindness soon after lost his eyesight at the age of 43 in 1652. This poem is a sonnet. It contains 14 lines, consists of first part octave and second part sestet. This is a Petrarchian sonnet with the rhyme scheme AB 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 CD CD EE. Next component about the poem. In the first part octave, the speaker expresses his concern when he is deeply disturbed by his blindness. He thinks that he will not be able to express his talent. That is, God has given him the talent to write poetry, but he no longer can use his poetical talent. It is become useless with him. Like a deeply religious man, Milton wants to serve God by writing poetry. He finds himself helpless. It is a crisis of faith. He foolishly asks if God would demand full utilization of his talent, even if he has become completely blind. He does not want to be rebuked by God. He is very upset. In the second part, that means sestet, he wonders whether God demands hard labor from his own creation. The feeling of disappointment and distress softens as his patience consoles him. The personified patience tells him that God does not need man's work or his own gifts. The best service to God is to accept whatever joys or sorrows. God has thousands of angels. They carry out his orders faithfully. They are posted over land and sea. Milton comes to realize that those who patiently wait for his orders are always also his true servants. If he is not able to write poetry, the poet should not feel disturbed. The poet is no longer upset by the loss of his eyesight. Thus, Milton's inner voice makes him realize the true meaning of service. He realizes himself to the will of God. He no longer murmurs against the will of God. Finally, he regains his spirit to work for God.